Good morning. My name is Srijita Ruj, and today I will be demonstrating the AP properties of React database. To prep myself, I have set up the React cluster on Amazon EC2 on private subnet with 5 nodes, and I have used a React jump box in order to access the React nodes. To prep myself, I have already set up the cluster using React admin commands, and 10.0.1.56 is my coordinator node. Let us check the status of the cluster. All the nodes are up and available. Let's test this React cluster by inserting an object into one of the keys. I will use a SEM1 key and I will add the data CMPE282 and design patterns as JSON object into this key. And I will add this in the coordinator node firstly. Since I have inserted it, let's test it. Let's get this key. Let's see the value of the key. We see that the data has been inserted. Let's again test it by getting it from another node. We see that the data has been replicated to the second node. Let's see in the third node. Fourth node. Fifth node. We see that the data has been replicated to all nodes. Now let's create a partition in such a way that nodes 1, 2, and 3 are in one end of partition and 4 and 5 are on the other end of the partition network. To create a partition, I will use sudo iptables command. I will drop the packets from node 1 and 2 in node 4 and 5. Now in node 5, I will drop the packets coming from node 1, 2, and 3. I will do the same thing in nodes 1 and 2. Let's go to node 2 and in node 3. Now that I have successfully created the partition, let's go to the jump box. After I create the partition, I will add another key of SEM2 and I will add it to the first node and let us see how it behaves. I will go to the jump box and I will insert the record of in SEM2E. See that I have inserted a new value to this CMPE282. Now that I have inserted, let's test by getting it. The data has been replicated. Let's see it from the second node. see the updated data. Now let's check it in the third node. The data has been replicated. Now let's see the fourth node, which is on the other end of the partition network. We see that since I have created a partition in the network, data has not been propagated to node 4. I will verify the same thing in node 5. Here also the data has not been propagated. So now before I heal the partition, I will add one more key and I will add it on node 4. Note that the IP address is of node 4. And this is a different key. Now I have inserted it here and let's test it by reading it from this. The data will not be found since it is a partition network and I put it on the other end of the network. But now I will get it from node 5. We see that the data has been replicated since node 4 and 5 are on the one network. Now I will heal my partition by using these commands. I will do the same thing in node 5. This is my coordinator instance. And this is my second node in the cluster. And this is my third node in the cluster. Now that I have healed the partition, let me go back to the jump box. And now I will test what I see in SEM2 and SEM3 key. Since we have already tested the SEM1, let's test the SEM2 key. The SEM2 key, I inserted it on the nodes 1, 2, and 3 cluster. So the data will be replicated. Let's test it on node 4. We see that after healing the partition, I get the same data which I did not get when I had created the partition. Now that the partition is healed, the data has got replicated and the system is available. I will see the same thing in node 5. Yes, the data has got replicated. Now I will see how the SEM3 behaves. Note that I had put this key on the other end of the partition network, that is on node 4 and node 5. Let me test it on node 1. Yes, the data has got replicated. Let me test it on node 2 and on node 3. The data has successfully got replicated in all the nodes in the cluster. Thus, we have proved and we saw that the Riak database is always available after healing the partition, and the system is an AP system, AP tolerant database. That's all I wanted to share today. Thanks for watching. Hi, my name is Srijata Ruj, and today I will be demonstrating MongoDB cluster on Amazon EC2, and I will show the CB properties of the Mongo database. To achieve this, I have set up a cluster of 5 nodes with 1 primary and 4 secondary nodes in Amazon EC2. I have used the security group Mongo cluster, wherein I have kept the ports 22 and the default port of Mongo database 27017 as open. To prep myself, I have already opened all 5 nodes on my terminal, and right now there is one primary node. So first I will insert a record and I will show how replication occurs. The data has been inserted to the primary node. Now let's check the secondary nodes. The data got replicated. The data got replicated in secondary 2 as well. In secondary 3 and on secondary 4. So we see that all the data got replicated on all the nodes. Now let us create a partition such that secondary 3 and secondary 4 are on one end of the partition, and primary, secondary 1 and secondary 2 are on the other end of the partition. To achieve this, I will use iptables command, and I will drop traffic from primary, secondary 1 and secondary 2. I will do the same thing on primary, secondary 1 and secondary 2 and plug the traffic from secondary 3 and secondary 4. Now the partition has been occurred. Now I will try to insert a record in my primary node. The data has been inserted. We see there are 2 records in this cluster. Now let's go to secondary 1 and see how many records are there in the products collection. There are 2 as the data got replicated. Now I will see the secondary 2. The data got inserted. Now let's check secondary 3 and secondary 4. There is only one record because there is a partition in the network. Now let's check secondary 4. Here also there is one record. Now I will heal the partition in the network such that all 5 nodes form a single cluster. I will do that again by using iptables command. Such that now I allow traffic from primary, secondary 1 and secondary 2. Now the partition has been healed and all 5 nodes are on a single network. Now I will check. I will open the Mongo shell and I will check the data. There are 2 records in products collection. there are 2 records. In secondary 1, in secondary 2 also there are 2 records. Now let's check the secondary 3, which was on the partition network. We see that now we have 2 records in the products collection, and we can verify that after healing the partition, the data got transferred from the primary node to secondary node because it joined the network. And let's check the similar thing on secondary 4. Here also we see there are 2 records. So we have successfully demonstrated the consistency property of Mongo database in this demonstration. And let me know if you have any doubts, and thanks for watching.